Hey guys, welcome back to Slash Raptor 93 here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to charge your lithium polymer 2S, 3S. This charger can only do 2 and 3S, so yeah. So I'm going to show you how to charge your Reaction 2S or 3S battery, but with the traxxas plug, by using the traxxas Easy Peak dual charger. It's actually really simple, but people are having a really hard time doing it. And I found out by another YouTube video, and sorry, there's a generator going off if you can hear it back there. They're trying to get all the water from flooding into the baseball diamond. Anyway, so I'm gonna get started. So you plug in your plug in your charger, right? Then here comes the really blinding light. The really blinding light that it blinks. I'm gonna sit you guys down for a minute. So you do your thing. I don't even know which way these go actually. I think they go this way. And plug in the balance port. And you are gonna get this. Clean up the lens real quick. You will get that. So all you need to do is just do this. It will do that. Set whatever you need to set. I'm going to 4 amps. And then just hit the start button. And boom, you're charging. Always make sure to put your battery inside of a Lipo bag so it doesn't cause a fire. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. As you can see, it's actually charging. It's at 2 amps now. I'm actually going to put it in storage mode. How do I do that? It's at fast. To store. I'm actually going to charge it at 2 amps. Anyway, hope you guys have a good day. See you guys later. Peace out. Goodbye.